Okay, what I'm going to show you today is how you can search for books that may not be in the Burbank Library, but you want to search to see if any other schools in our district has a book that you might be interested in. So to do that, instead of using this search box from the library homepage, you're going to want to click where it says Search the Classic site, because this is the only way where you can change the actual location. From Burbank, you can look all of SAISD, or you could only look at high schools. So that may be something you want to consider. So I'm going to choose high schools, and I'm going to search for a book on psychology because I noticed I didn't have a lot that a student was interested in. So you just type your search. Again, change your location. You can also choose, material type if you want to make sure it's an actual book. You can put in reading levels and things like that. But I'm just going to do my search like that. And it's looking in all the high schools. And so it'll show you here the title on the left. So you could, click on the details and pull up more information. It'll tell you more about the book. I'm going to click. Now, don't click the back button. You always want to go up here and click Search Results to go back instead of clicking the back button. And what you can do is see this is 0 of 1 available, 1 of 1 available, and it'll show you when you click on it where it's available. So for example, this one is at Brackenridge High School. So you can look to see, what somebody else might have. And then again, I hit the back button when I wasn't supposed to. See if it'll go back. From there, you can visit your librarian and they can check out a book for you from Brackenridge High School or another high school, and they'll send it through interlibrary loan. It'll take a few days to get there, but then you can check out a book under that, under your name, but from a different high school. So that's how you search for books from other locations other than our school.